This is a demo of the Futmillionaire auto bidder. So we go to the settings window just to make sure everything is okay. Settings. Trade pile is correct. Max bidded items, we want to change that to 25. And then we're going to click Save. Then we're going to go to Bidder Inventory, select Fitness Card. Then we're going to select the Player Gold fitness ones. Bid is going to be at 150, sell price at 250. For the pages searched, we want to insert 3 and then click Add. And we're going to do the same with contracts. So we add a contract, choose the cheaper ones. We insert the bid price at 150 and sell price at 250. Pages searched. So we're selecting these items as we could select any other items. It doesn't matter because as long as you have the correct prices, you can cut a profit on pretty much anything. We're also going to add a player card, and it's going to be Daniela De Rossi from the Italian League. So again, we're going to put in some random prices as we're going to use the price auto updater to update the prices for us and leave everything else as it is except the pages searched. For the pages searched, we're going to leave that at 1 because we only want the auto bidder to bid on the last page of De Rossi's auctions, or otherwise what happens is the program will bid on cards with too much time left. A minor detail here. We unselect the auto update function from our consumables since I already know those consumable prices are up to date and we're using the minimum bid anyway. And now we want to go to the price auto updater and update De Rossi's price. And just as an example, I want to calculate my buy price at 85% of the lowest buy now in the market, so I insert 0.85. And for the buy price, I'll be looking to sell at 20% over lowest buy now. I click Save and Update Now. And we're done. Now we can go to the trading window, select the auto bidder module, and click Start. And as you can see, it's already bidding on a bunch of De Rossi cards and fitness cards. It's finding a lot of fitness cards for a 150 bid. So I guess the easiest way to make coins with this would just be to keep buying cards for 150 all day and then reselling them for 250 or even 200 for quicker sales. And I'm sure you could literally buy and sell thousands during a day using the auto bidder. So this is the Futmillionaire auto bidder, the best trading tool on the market.